Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are feeling well. Today I am here with a new video, and that is how to implement the app open ads in Android Studio. So let's jump to the Android Studio, and I have selected the empty activity and a string of 2 ads ID. So now I will come here to the app open ads, and I will search here for the app open ad in Android Studio. Select the first website which will be open this, and click on the get started first so that we can copy the dependency of the Admobe. Now I will come here and copy this dependency and paste it to the build.gradle. Now I will sync, click on the sync now, and then I will come here to copy this. Let's copy it, and this is the simple ad ID which I already pasted in the Android Studio of string. I have already passed this Admobe application ID in my Android Studio. So I will come here to the manifest, and I already copy this lines, this metadata, and we will place this in application tag. Okay, I already paste it here. So this is let's copy it again, paste it again, and I will name it the red string Admobe application ID. And also we have to place internet permission. Now I will come here to the Google, and let's get back to our app open. Now the next thing we have to do is to copy this ID and paste it to my Android Studio, and then I will put it in the string app open. This is a testing ID. Now we will create application class. So for that I will come here and I will select Java class, and will give name to this class my application. Okay, now I will do one thing, that is extends application. The next thing we have to do is to initialize this mobile ads. Sorry. Like this, and import these things. Okay, it's done. Now I will come here and I will declare this inside application class of this in application class in manifest, like my name, my application, and now scroll it down. We will make a app open manager class. So I will select a new class, Java class, and I will name app open manager, and I will copy all these till here. Okay, so let's import one by one. Okay, and the next thing we have to declare this app open manager inside our application class. So I will come here and declare this, then inside the initialization method we have to call our app open class object, and let's load an interstitial head. Now as we have already performed these things, so I will copy this till here. implement this in fetch add method. Okay, it's done. Now the next thing we have to do is implement the life cycles callbacks. So for that I will come here and I will implement it here, and I will import this application class. Also we have to implement its methods, overridden methods. So I will copy this and I will place it here. Okay, the next thing, we will import all these. And also we have to declare this activity in the application app open manager class. Okay, it's done. The next thing we have to do is to implement this inside the app open manager method, and let's come here and we will implement the show method, the show add method, and handle the full screen callback events. So I will copy this line and place it here. Then I will come here and as add available method till here, and I will place it here. Okay, so let's import this. Okay, it's done. Now the next thing we have to do is to implement the life cycle implementations dependencies. So we will come here and paste this sync now. Okay, implement the life cycle observer implementation. So I will come here and copy this line and place this in the application, the app open manager method. Here, and we will import this class. Also we have to copy this and place it here. Okay, also we have to implement one thing, that is this line for on start. Okay, it's done. Now the next thing we have to do is to copy this to implement this also. Lifecycle observer, and implement this, import this lifecycle observer, and also place the timer, sorry, the load time 0. Okay, now come here to the overridden method on app loaded. Let's search for this method on app loaded. Where it is. Okay, place this here. Okay, it's done. Sorry, also place this Control V, and for this, now we will come here to the isAddAvailable class method, sorry, and is it available, then we will we will create this method also. Was load time less than hour ago. So let's create this method also. Okay, it's done. So let's run our application and see how it's work.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit